Peace. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a package right here. It's a phone case for my Honor 9X Pro. So make sure you guys stay locked in with me, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox this case for the Honor 9X Pro. Make sure you guys stay locked in. Alright, so I do have this really slim case that I've been using that's like a hard material with the harder plastic, and it has really minimal design and basically no lip at the top. Let me put that off to the side. Then I'm just really enjoying this rugged shield case that I got, which is probably my favorite case right now out of like any phone I'm using, just to be perfectly honest with you. But that's because of this grip on the back of it, and this texture just feels like tire, like the Goodyear tire. And then inside of here it says cease to struggle and you cease to live. Like, I love that message, and I just love this case. So I'm gonna put this off to the side real quick, and we're gonna check out the new case. Okay guys, so let's check out the new case. Let me just go ahead, cut that right open, and let's go ahead and rip this right open. Oh wow, so we're getting some good packaging here. This is nuts. I love when companies go hard with in the paint with the packaging. Okay, I see what they're trying to do right here. This is like a Japanese, I don't even know. This is a foreign language right here, but it looks Chinese. But I'm not quite sure. Then it says LANGSIDI. So let's go over to the back, and you can see right here, there's nothing holding it closed. So we're just gonna pop this open and then put LANGSIDI case right off to the side. And this looks pretty premium. Let's go ahead and remove this piece right here. I will leave a link down below to where I purchased this, and I just got hyped because, let me just put this piece off to the side. Wow, that's cool. Inside of here, let me just show you, is suede. This is like velvet. Like if you ever had a pair of Clarks from back in the day. Those are like men's shoes. If you never had the Clarks, or like the I don't know, the all black Tims, this is that same material right here inside of this case. But the sickest part is that you're getting right here on the back of here like cowhide, or basically like, this is basically like genuine leather feeling. So that's definitely cool. This is a really minimal case. You can see this is for the cutout for the fingerprint. We're getting triple camera cutout. Nothing on the bottom. Clean on this side. Nothing there whatsoever. But you could see that cowhide. And this is going to wear through time. You could see it just captured all the scratches that I just put on there, which is dope. So like, this is actually that real leather material, which is going to age really nicely over time. So let me just put this on the Honor 9X Pro, and I like how that has like the that velvet on the inside, and that just fits like a glove. All right, so let's take a look at the bottom. We do have the 3.5mm headphone jack Type C and speaker. Now on the other side we do have fingerprint. Let's see how that works really quick. And also your volume rocker. Now at the top you do have microphone as well as camera pop-up for selfie camera right here, and SIM tray ejector tool. Now on this side it's all clean and free of anything, and you can see it just picks up all of the scratches, and this is just that genuine leather, which is just gonna age over time really nicely. So I definitely like that it does that, because that's like real it's gonna age really good, and it's just gonna pick up like some really cool marks over time. But I'll leave a link down below where I purchased this, under $10, and I'm really happy that I got this thing because it looks really nice, and I can't wait to rock this for going forward. But let's just check out the lip and see if there's any lip on here. So with these cases, there will be minimal lip. Minimal, but very effective when it comes to looking really stylish, and those cameras are protected as well. So honestly, this case is dope. Let's go ahead, check out the camera pop-up selfie, and you can see that works perfectly fine. So let's go ahead, try that one more time. And you can see the case is actually really nice, and this feels really good on my hands. And I think I have a new favorite case. But shout out to LANGSIDI. They didn't send this out. I purchased it, but I'll leave a link down below. But I'm definitely going to be enjoying this really nice leather case and everything like that. So I could already see that it's got like this little natural hide look underneath it, which is going to be pretty cool. And it's going to keep all those marks, all those scratches. A lot of the times it bothers people when things get like that, but I definitely like that wear and tear leather look, which is really cool, like on couches and stuff like that over time, and anything leather. Like if you're into leather, you know what I'm talking about. But make sure you guys stay locked in with me. It's your boy Serrano. I appreciate every last one of you. Make sure you guys have a great morning, afternoon, evening, depending on where you are. Have a great night, and I'll check you guys later. Peace.